What's up everybody, my name is Jacques Wessels and welcome to Web Nomads, and today you are going to learn how to create a stunning looking logo in 4 steps for your business, for your e-commerce store, for your blog by using an awesome online tool called Canva. Now Canva is perfect for anyone starting out. You don't need to download any expensive software and there's no steep learning curve involved here, and after this video you'll be able to create stunning looking logos like these. So if you are ready, so we can start with step 1. Go down in the description, click on a link below and it will take you to a page like this one. Welcome to Canva guys, and yes, so if you used my link in the description, you will see exactly what you're seeing right now. Jacques Wessels invited you to Canva. This means you will be rewarded Canva credits, so which you can use towards a premium element, a premium photo or whatever, and you can use it towards anything of your choice. So you can either sign up with Google or Facebook, but I'm just going to go ahead and sign up with an email. I'm going to type my name here and then also my email address, and then I'm going to choose a password. There you go, and then say get started. Now it's going to ask you a couple of other things. You can just go ahead for small business. And then you can go ahead and try Canva for free for 30 days. This just means you can use all the pro features for 30 days. And after that, you have to pay. But you don't have to go this route. I mean, you can use a lot of things in here for absolutely for free. So I'm just going to go ahead and say maybe later. So who's on your team? Just skip this. And okay, here you go. You've earned 1 Canva credit thanks to Jacques Wessels. Okay, cool. So you earned 1 Canva credit you can use to choose a premium image, a template in the library, and when you download, you can just redeem, share or redeem the credit. All right, let's continue. Got it. So now we want to create a logo. So let's click on this one right here. So now let's start with step 2. So on the left here, you can actually see a bunch of ready-made logos for you. So if you don't have a creative bone in your body, you can go ahead and just import one of these, like for instance this one right here. Let's close all these little bubbles. And now you can edit this however you want. You can change this to second, or just change this to S, seco, or whatever the case may be. You can change the background color to say purple, and you can download this easy as pie. So this is obviously a very easy route to go, but I want to show you a little bit more creative way. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one, and also make sure to delete that, and then we are going to use these elements here on the left. So as you can see here, it's elements. Click on that, and I'm just going to close here, and then elements, you'll see all these cool elements here, shapes and stickers and charts and gradients and all different kinds of cool elements you can use for your logo. I'm gonna create a logo for my doggy parlor. I'm just gonna type dog, and now I will see a bunch of cool elements here. So you can see the ones here which says pro, obviously that is for the subscription, the pro subscription, but I'm gonna go ahead and just use this one here, which is free. Like I mentioned before, there are tons of things that's for free on Canva, you don't need to pay for. I'm just gonna change the degrees there a little bit, and move it a bit more to my left, and maybe make it a bit smaller by dragging it inwards, like that. All right, so the next one, I want to add my business name. I'm gonna go down to text, and you have all these ready-made text here. You can just literally click and you can just edit it from there. But I'm going to show you how to do it from the very beginning. I'm going to click there on heading, move it a little bit over, and just say doggy parlor, and maybe make it a bit smaller like that, and there we go. Maybe make this footprint also a little bit smaller, or this paw, and then move this one up here, and then I want a subheading, you know, like a slogan for my business. I'm just going to say best in town. There we go. So I'm going to move this one also over to over here, center line a little bit, but I want to change the the font a little bit. That's pretty boring. So I've got thousands of fonts I can choose here on the left. Obviously the ones with the little crown means pro, but there are also many other ones you can use absolutely for free. I'm going to go ahead and use this font right here. Let's see what it looks like. So the logo is pretty boring. There's not much going on. So let's get some color into this logo. So maybe I can move this one just a little bit up like that, or maybe just by using the arrows I can adjust it as well. I'm going to change this ball to maybe this brown orange color, and then also based in town I also want to change to this color. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. So if you want to add maybe for instance a background, you can also do it by going to elements, just close this one here, and then use this shape here, and then maybe just make it a little bit smaller so it fits well, and then all the way that way and all the way this way, and then change this to black. There we go. And now I can see everything. This background is on top of all the other elements. So what you can do is go to position, go say all the way to the back, and now I just need to change this font to white. Now I've got a cool looking logo. Like I said, the logo is just very basic, but you guys kind of get the idea how it works. So let's move on to step number 3, and that is downloading your logo. So you can just go up here and say download. You can choose between a couple of different file types. I'm just going to go with PNG because that's the best, you know, the highest quality. And if you want this background not to show up on websites or whatever the case may be, you can always go to use the transparent background, and therefore you have to upgrade to Pro. But I've been using Canva for quite some time now, and for me it made sense to upgrade because I use it mostly for all the web design images and artwork I usually upload to websites. But in your case it doesn't really matter. You can always just crop it with a different tool when you're done. So we can actually go ahead and download this. There you go, guys. Your new logo is actually starting to download, and then we can move on to step 4, and that is by viewing your logo. So let's click on the logo. Make it a little bit bigger. And there you go, guys. How cool is that? That is our new logo for our business, and you can pretty much design and use Canva the way you want. You know, the creativity is kind of endless with Canva. You can design all kinds of cool stuff. Actually, in the very beginning of this video, that slideshow you saw, I actually made that with Canva itself. So there's literally no limits when it comes to Canva and creating creatives for your website. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If you like it and you want more, and you want to see more content around web design, web development, online stores, and how to create successful blogs, please consider subscribing and liking this video, and also sharing it. And I would appreciate all the love a ton. It will help me to create more cool videos for you guys. All of the best, and when you're done, drop a link in the description. I would love to see your logos on your websites or on your business vehicles or whatever the case may be. So all the best, guys. Enjoy it. Cheers.